Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is how to write 59,059,059. Firstly, let us represent 59 million. Okay. Now 59 million, it means there will be 6 zeros after 59. Then 59,000. Here 59,000, 1, 2, 3, and then 59 as it is. Now add this 59 million plus 59,000 plus 59. Okay. Now this is 950,950,95. Hence 59 million 59,000 59 is 590,590,59.